PB&J is essential to living. Real easy stuff here. You got your 3 ingredients. You got some bread, jelly, and peanut butter.
First, you get your pieces of bread, obviously.
White bread? Nah. You're always gonna go. You're always want to go wheat bread.
For this PB&J, I think I'm gonna toast the bread. I think it's the one thing everybody's missing here. Get a nice little golden brown on your bread.
Peanut butter, always go Jif. Anything else is dust. You don't want Skippy. You don't want this knockoff stuff. Jif is way better. It spreads nice and smooth. Look at that. I'll show the camera. What a perfect spread.
First thing you do is get your 2 bread slices out. Set them out evenly there. Then peanut butter's first, obviously. Nice and easy. Get a healthy scoop right there. Pick her up. Start spreading her around.
I'm a big crunchy guy, so I'm going after crunch. I like to have that crunch in my sandwich. Just smooth and smooth. Not that great. You need to have some smooth and some crunch to get a nice little texture in there. I can't open this up, so you just pop it in like that. Dig your finger in there. This is not COVID regulated, but who cares, right?
Now, peanut butter, I'm always a crunchy guy. And that's the one thing I've noticed in stores, it's like you can't even just find crunchy. It's always like extra mega crunchy. It's like, yo, I just want like a little bit.
Then you go to the jelly. Nice pop there. I prefer grape, but if you like raspberry, that's okay too. It all generally tastes the same. Now you do a stirring action, all right? This is key. You stir, dump a little bit on, and now you got easy spreadability right here. See that? Look at that. That's nice and even. Rock Quarry should take cooking tips from me. Look at this nice spread. Ooh, yeah.
You go into the already open strawberry jelly, and you're just going after it. You know, I find this the hardest part because I can never get it to stay on top of the fucking knife. That really pisses me off. If you know, I'm just spilling all over the table right now. What the fuck?
Jam is kind of up to you, but again, stick to the 33% rule. Do not, however, do not put your jam on the bread by itself. Put the jam, preferably with this squeezable one, on top of the jelly, of the peanut butter. Just a quick squirt. And then you spread it around with your same knife.
Now, for jellies, I think I'm gonna go with the peach, the classy one. This is a twisty jar as well. A scoopful. Bam. I go for like the 2/3, 1/3. Probably a little bit extra jelly. Not bad, not bad.
You want your jelly and peanut butter to be 50-50, in my opinion. You want to have a good mixture. You don't want to have weird proportions.
PB&J is pretty simple. It's really about fractions. Peanut butter, 66%, and you're going to want to go 33% jam.
You want a lot of peanut butter because I don't know exactly why. I just know that you want a lot of peanut butter on there.
It's just like remnants of jelly, really. It's not even that much jelly because nobody likes that much jelly. The jelly's gonna rip the bread. It's too sugary. It's not that great. You just want the flavor.
Wham bam. You always gotta give it a cut. Get those parenting skills up. Boom. Oh yeah.
Boom. Generally, I like to eat it as a whole, like this. But if you're trying to be fancy, you cut into triangles. Like if you're babysitting or something. Boom.
Slap that baby on there. Get after it.
Piece it together. Lick the knife. Take a bite. Dive in.
You want to make a PB&J. You start with bread, you get some turkey, you get some cheese, you put it together, and you get it down your gullet, and that's the perfect PB&J.
Oh, lunch meat.